What's up, you guys? Coming back at you. Today I'm just doing a second get ready with me. I kind of wanted to show y'all, if y'all watched my video last night, I wanted to show y'all the end result of French braiding your hair and braiding it and sleeping in it. I definitely got the curly look that I was hoping for. I gotta put some hairspray, put a little bit of mousse, some gel, really make it stand out and volumized. I'm happy about it. I really am. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe down below. Thank you for watching. Let's get started with the get ready with me. Okay, I'm gonna put my hair back. I'm gonna start by doing my primer. And I just use the Photo Focus Face Primer. Matty Matte. Whatever it is. And I have already done my eyebrows. He's a cheaper. He's a cheaper. Say hi. Say hi, Hopper. These are my babies. Say hi, Hopper. Been fighting and fussing and wrestling, doing the thing that they do. Okay. After I've done my primer, I'm going to go in with my face foundation. I had to see what all the buzz is about. And you guys, I really see. I'm not promoting. I'm not a presenter. I'm not anything. But this... I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender. And blend it out. I know this is I'm starting out small. I'm starting out very small with this YouTube channel. Literally starting from scratch. I think 4 days ago. 5 days ago. So, I know it can't happen overnight. But I'm happy about it. I'll take that. I have some suggestions already. And I'm going to start doing some reviews. I'm pretty sure the first thing that I'm going to review is going to be Mary Kay. I've always wondered about Mary Kay. I haven't really used it ever, but you see it everywhere. Everybody's heard of Mary Kay. And some people use it, some people don't. I will probably be doing a review on it. Comment below this video and let me know if there's anything else that you want to see. I do have a few ideas. I'm going to do some hair tutorials. Next, I'm going to contour under my eyes. Down this and that. And I draw this. I'm going to go in where my cheekbone is. And I'm going to go, and it's like a 3. I'm going to go in. Like a 3. Alright. Now I'm just going to blend it. First I'm going to blend in the bright with my beauty blender. I'm not going to put my dark on my beauty blender. You'll see what I use with it. Next I'm going to blend this in the bottom. Whenever I do my makeup like this, I feel like I'm being really extra. Very extra. But it's worth it to me. I think it looks very nice. I would do my loose powder, but for some reason here lately, I haven't liked the look of my loose powder on my face. The next thing I'm going to do is eyeshadow. Okay. Got this nice little palette right here. I'm going to go with the pink, it's a very light pink. You may not be able to tell in this. And just kind of do the transition. Then I'm going to go in with this darker right here. A little bit. Oh, leave me alone. Oh, God. Okay, now I'm just going with a little bit of a darker one. I'm kind of building myself up. A little bit of a smaller brush. and do the dark right here. Just to go, to put the smoky eye look in it. Now I'll take my bigger one, big fluffy one, and blend that out. Time to go on my eyeliner. Go in with the eyeliner. Okay. Whew, made my eyes water. Okay, next, the favorite. I'm gonna go in with my Master Precise. Okay, doing my eyeliner. I'm just finishing up doing a few spots that I see. Okay, believe it or not, sometimes I actually go out and do my makeup full face and I don't wear eyeliner. Believe it or not. But I just think eyeliner just sets a more defined and precise look. I do have the Epic Mascara by Unique as well. You know, just wear it because it makes my lashes huge, huge. It's huge. And so sometimes I just like them to be seen. But since I have pictures today, I'm going to put my eyeliner on. Oh no! That is long. I'm going to put on my blush. Sparkles in it. And I will wear lipstick tonight to do the pictures. Just got to get that off there real quick, okay? But I'll not put my lipstick on it now. I forgot it last time, I almost forgot it this time. Highlight. Yeah. Okay, I see you. Yeah. Yeah, I do a little thing that people are doing nowadays, kind of highlights for days. There we go. Alright, you guys, that is my full face. Now I'm going to go do something with this hair and get ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, subscribe below if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.